Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to change x into negative t. So because x change to negative t, so negative t approach to negative infinity. Now because we have the negative sign, so we can simplify for the both sides. And we have t approach to positive infinity. So this one we change by this one. S we change by negative t. Similar for this one. This one. So we know that this is about even power. So this one we got about the positive number. So we would about t to the power of 6. This one negative with negative, you got about positive. This is we have the number 3. Number 3 is about the odd number in here. Because this is about the odd power, so you got about negative t to the power of 3. Next, we have t to the power of 6 under the square root, so you got about t to the power of 3. And this one we have t to the power of 3. This is about the highest power on the denominator. So we need to divide by t to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. So this one divide by this one, you got about number 1. 1 divided by this one, we keep the same. This one go inside the square root, so we will have like this. That is about 9t to the power of 6 plus t over t to the power of 6. So this one divided by this one and t divided by this one. So we have 9 plus 1 over t to the power of 5. When t approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one in here. And now we have the final answer. We calculate about this one and we got about negative number 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.